Pipistrel Nuuva V300. 12 hours in the air. No pilot. No runway. Just pure cargo power from the sky. The Pipistrel Nuuva V300 is not your average drone. It's a beast of the skies. This hybrid electric eVTOL lifts off vertically, flies over 1,100 kilometers, and carries nearly half a ton of cargo, without a single human on board. That's right, it's fully autonomous and beyond visual line of sight ready. It's got 8 electric lift motors and 1 high-efficiency cruise engine. Combine that with Pipistrel's aerospace pedigree and Honeywell's triple redundant fly-by-wire system, and you've got a flying robot that doesn't just move cargo, it redefines logistics. 3 Euro pallets fit neatly inside. Load it with a forklift through the front. Fly for up to 12 hours. And it costs 10 times less to operate than a helicopter doing the same job. This is built for remote areas, high-value delivery, and emergency ops. Anywhere you need heavy cargo fast, cheap, and safe. No runway. No problem. This isn't the future of delivery. It's already flying. Would you trust a drone with your cargo?